sa inyong lahat and welcome po sa aming episode ngayong umaga. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa bahay po ng aming Congressman, Honorable Congresswoman Darlene Antonino Castudio of South Cotabato. And we're here now in Baguio City, which is the summer capital of the Philippines. How are you, my darling boy? My God, nanalamig siguro si Boy. Mga kaibigan, narito po tayo ngayon sa Baguio. It is because we are not only preparing for a future, for a future generation, di ba, Boy? Kasi, something, ano ba? We are in a cultural place, which is they preserve the culture, tradition, and beliefs of those native people living here before. That's why, Boy, ang mag-witness natin bukas ng gabi here in Baguio City, the competition of a cultural dance, which is the Sayaw
Witan.
in a national competition. Kaya bago po namin pagpapatuloy, magpapatuloy po ang Boy.
Ah!